Hey everybody, welcome to Wednesday. How we doing today? It's gonna be a beautiful day today. Not a cloud in the sky. What do you think we're working on today? I know what we're working on. Come on, let's go see. Okay, no little elves came in the middle of the night and put these 3.7s together. I guess they only cobble shoes. So let's get them in the surfacer, huh? Gotta get the springs in the parts tumbler. So let's get going. Okay, I'm going to set the stem height on these heads before I surface and wash them. Or just follow along. You better follow along. You don't have to follow along. So we'll get all these valves in here. Height set. I'm going to put you on the Hyper Viper lap maker thing. Okay. The intakes are 2 inches 14 thousandths to 2 inches 58 thousandths. The exhausts are 2 inches 71 thousandths to 2.114 thousandths. So I'm going to set the intakes at 2 inches 45 thousandths, and I'll set the exhaust at 100. Now how about some music? How's everybody's day going? Pretty good, I hope. You can hear me walking, running, heaters on. Okay, let's get these surfaced. And we'll wash them and get them put together. David just blast beaded this 300 Ford. We're going to do a full rebuild on that, hardened seats, valve guides. Get this up in the machine here. I hope you can hear me. I've been having mic problems. That guy Mike, boy does he cause problems. I'll get this up in here, bolt it down a little bit, and then I'll put you up on the warp 9 setting. You guys aren't feeling sick this morning, are you? I know some of you complain that warp 9 makes you sick. So if you're going to be sick, just look away, okay? Okay, finishing up here the last pass. We'll get this one out of here, get the other one in here. And we're just about ready to assemble. I'll see if I can talk David into washing them. It's kind of a wet job. I'll pretend like I got paperwork to do. That's what I'll do. He can wash them. I'm so evil. Evil, I tell you. Watch this. Ta-da! And voila! The magic finger. Everybody needs to get one of these, people. Go get yourself one. You could surface heads. Okay, let's see if this thing can wash them. Wash the heads. Abracadabra. Abra. Damn it. I have to wash. This thing ain't working. I have to wash them myself, I guess. Finger. Okay, I can wash these one at a time. Just for a couple minutes. Okay, second head going in. Got to be real careful of the surface. Can't even let one little nick go out. Okay, get these parts out of here. Watch your fingers. Ah! It could almost suck you in, huh? I got to dig all the parts out of here. I always count the retainers because they're hard to find. I don't know if you could see in here. There's a whole bunch of this media. Everything just kind of gets bashed around and it cleans it. Makes everything look new. All the grime off. Now I'll count these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shit, I ran out of fingers. Help me, okay? I need 6 more. I think I see 6. 12. There's 12. 10, 11. Okay, 12. That's it. So now this goes into the wash we go. Give him a bath. Give myself a bath. Uh-oh, what do we got here? It's like some oil pans, 4.3. Okay, got everything washed. Ready to assemble. I'm going to put the valves in first. Remember, I got them numbered. We got them all adjusted to the... They'll work anywhere. It's just I got them in their spots I want them. Down to the thousandths again. I like to be real accurate with the stem height. So we got left. This is the left head, number 3. Number 1, 2, 2. Make sure to always put oil on the stems. We're having a little valve fight here. You don't put oil on these, they'll stick on the startup. This is a really, really good assembly lubricant. Notice I'm working on cardboard again. We don't want to scratch up that new surface. No scratches. Not from me, anyway. We never know what the customer's going to do. A little bit of oil on top of the guide here. The seals are all the same. Sometimes there's intake and exhaust ones, and they color code those, depending on the manufacturer. These are all Viton. Can withstand the highest temperatures of all the rubbers. So that's what we use. They cost a little more, but it's worth it. They make a nitrile, and I don't know. Okay, I put new batteries in this. Let's see how it does. Bam! This head's on fire! Hey, they're all done. You know this thing would make a fire. Be careful with this thing, people. It looks like I got to put the galley plugs in still. The damn thing didn't do it. So I put some galley plugs in it and heat tab. Okay, we got to put sealer on these plugs. These are oil galleys. Take them out to get all the crud out of them. You've got to take these plugs out. There's just a lot of crud behind them, especially after we glass bead. The glass bead gets stuck in there, and where it cause all kinds of problems. These are nice and tight. Work on cardboard. And now we got heat tabs. The center of these will melt out at 250 degrees. We put these on here. That lets me know if you overheated it. You blow a head gasket because you get it hot. These will melt. and I'll tell you, you overheated it. Okay, the last thing we got to do here is stamp it. We have a stamp. Have David over here to help. Head. This lets us know this is our head. Well, a close-up of that, let you see what it looks like. I had that made by Columbia Marking Tools here in Portland. Not sponsored, just good company. This is the second one of these I bought. Here you can see the D&D. Here we go. They came out really nice. Nice and clean. We also surfaced his exhaust manifolds. They were very warped. They're always warped on these 3.7s, 4.7s. So I'll get these in a bag and give the customer a call. That's going to do it for this video. The end of this series. Heads are ready. Customer be happy. Everybody should be happy, right? You guys be nice to each other, okay? Please. It means a lot. Just be nice. It's easier than being mean. And then it'll make the whole world be a better place. All right? Bye.